Did you know that with just a bowl of water, your foggy glasses can be as clear as new? It sounds simple, but the results will surprise everyone. If you are a regular glasses wearer, you must have been annoyed many times when your glasses become foggy, have fingerprints or oil stains after just one accidental touch. Over time, the accumulated layer of dirt and moisture makes the glasses increasingly opaque, impossible to clean. Everything looks blurry. Replacing your glasses is both expensive and inconvenient, but leaving your second eyes foggy forever is even more troublesome, especially when your glasses fog up, a very common problem that is difficult to fix with regular cleaning. Don't worry, in today's video, I'm going to share with you a super simple yet super effective trick that will get your glasses sparkling clean in just a few steps. Try it now and see the difference. First, squeeze a little toothpaste onto the lens. Then add a drop of dish soap to each lens. Next, apply the toothpaste and dish soap evenly to both the inside and outside of the lens. Where are you from? Leave a comment and let me know. Nice to meet you from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so. I appreciate your support. Then, use your index finger and thumb to gently rub, rotating clockwise and counterclockwise. Many people say that if the lenses are not cleaned properly, the coating will peel off more easily. If your glasses are greasy and foggy, you will have difficulty seeing clearly. In that case, dilute a little dishwashing liquid and apply it to the glasses. Do not use soap, hand sanitizer, or shower gel, because these substances are acidic or alkaline, which can slightly scratch the lenses. In fact, you can clean your glasses with common household items. This will help remove light scratches. Toothpaste can treat small scratches on glass. Although most lenses are made of plastic, they simulate the surface of glass, so this method can still be applied. Toothpaste containing very fine abrasive particles, such as titanium dioxide, which helps remove stains from teeth, can be used to polish lenses. It acts as a polish, helping to smooth out small scratches with repeated rubbing. It is best to use white non-gel toothpaste and one with small grains. Toothpaste containing baking soda is a great option for treating scratches. This is a simple tip that will save you money. Now prepare a bowl of water. Place the glasses in it and let them soak for a while. So, what magic happens when you soak your glasses in water? It turns out that oxygen molecules dissolved in water form an ultra-thin film of oxygen when in contact with glass. This film helps prevent water droplets from condensing on the surface. In addition, the high refractive index of water helps dust particles on the glass to be easily dispersed by water molecules, making cleaning easier. The surface tension of water also helps dirt to flow away more easily. The magic of soaking your glasses is, not only does it make them brighter, it also prolongs their life, reduces scratches, and makes them more comfortable to wear. This method is simple, cheap, and convenient. Anyone can do it. Now you can dry your glasses. This is the last and most important step. Don't think that rinsing your glasses under the tap is enough. This rinsing also requires technique. Turn on the water slightly and rinse off the soap suds. Next, rinse the lenses in a stream of water. This will leave no water streaks. Check out the results. Your glasses are as good as new. After rinsing, simply pat dry with a clean paper towel. This rinsing also requires technique. Turn on the water slightly and rinse off the soap suds. Next, rinse the lenses in a stream of water. This will leave no water streaks. Check out the results. Your glasses are as good as new. After rinsing, simply pat dry with a clean paper towel. The reason is because the lenses have low hardness and are easily scratched. You need to preserve them carefully. Apply this method of cleaning glasses so that even if you use them for a long time, the glasses will not become foggy. However, remember to clean the glasses regularly, every week or half a month. If you need to clean your glasses, try it. It really works. For those who rarely wear glasses or are too busy to clean their glasses every day, how to clean them quickly. In this case, you can use alcohol. Alcohol is a common cleaning agent with high disinfecting ability. Use a spray bottle and spray lightly on the lenses. However, be careful when using alcohol to clean glasses. Do not use alcohol with too high a concentration. If you only have strong alcohol, dilute it with water. Avoid getting alcohol in your eyes as it can cause irritation or damage. Use pure, colorless, odorless alcohol. It will not leave any odor or residue. Then use a clean, soft tissue to gently wipe the lens surface. Especially both sides of the lens. Wipe evenly and gently to ensure cleanliness. The results are amazing. Dirt disappears, everything is much clearer. If you need a quick clean, try this method. If you are not using your glasses, store them in a case. You should also clean the case regularly, as dust can get inside when you open it. Glasses cases seem to always be clean, but over time, dirt, bacteria, and sweat from hands can easily accumulate inside, affecting the glasses in the user's eyes. Cleaning the glasses case properly not only helps keep it clean, but also prolongs the life of the glasses. Below is a simple, quick way you can do it right at home. First, remove the lining from the inside of the box if possible. Soak the box in warm, soapy water for about 5 minutes to soften the stains. Then, use a soft brush to gently scrub the entire inside and outside surface of the box, especially the corners and grooves. Rinse the box with clean water to remove all soap. Finally, use a soft cloth to dry it. Then leave the box in a cool place to dry completely before using it again. A few notes. Do not use hot water or soak for too long if the box has a fabric lining or leather cover. Absolutely avoid using alcohol or strong detergents as they may cause fading or peeling of the coating. You should clean your glasses case every 2 to 4 weeks to ensure cleanliness and safety when using glasses. With just a few simple steps, you can keep your glasses case clean. better protecting your beloved glasses. Start today to take better care of your eyes every day. The video ends here. If you have any comments, please leave a comment below. If you find it useful, please give me a like. Don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your support. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.